Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Zettle by PayPal. Review my usage experience. Zettle by PayPal Review My Usage Experience offers a point-of-sale (POS) system for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It allows you to accept card payments, track sales, and manage your finances all in one place. Key features include card reader integration, inventory management, and sales reporting. Their website provides details on pricing plans and features. Zettle by PayPal positions itself as a user-friendly and affordable POS solution. They highlight ease of use and transparent pricing, claiming no hidden fees and flexible contract options. The system utilizes a combination of hardware, card reader, and software online dashboard. Availability is widespread, and you can check their website for specific regional availability. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Zettle by PayPal. Getting started was a breeze. I ordered the card reader online, and it arrived within 2 days. Setting up the account and connecting the reader was straightforward, taking less than 15 minutes. The interface is incredibly intuitive, the dashboard is clean and easy to navigate. I particularly appreciated the detailed sales reports, which helped me track my best-selling items and identify trends. I processed several transactions in the first week, and everything went smoothly. The speed of the transactions was excellent, and I never experienced any connectivity issues. I had a quick question about integrating with my accounting software, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing clear and helpful instructions. A standout feature for me was definitely the ability to send invoices directly to customers. One minor drawback was the slightly clunky mobile app. The desktop version is far superior. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Zettle by PayPal. It's a reliable, affordable, and easy-to-use POS system that has significantly streamlined my business operations. That's my overview of Zettle by PayPal. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.